Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Center, where learning English is simple, practical, and useful for real life. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Mike. And today we are talking about something very powerful, but very simple.
Yes, Mike. Today's topic is how to talk about your day.
Now, let me ask you something important.
Yes, think carefully.
Can you describe your entire day in English?
From the moment you wake up,
Until the moment you go to bed?
without translating from your language,
Without stopping every 2 seconds?
without saying too many times,
If that feels difficult,
you are completely normal.
many learners know grammar rules.
Many learners know vocabulary words.
But when it's time to talk about real life,
They freeze.
their mind becomes empty.
They forget even simple verbs like wake, eat, go.
And they feel frustrated.
But today, we will fix that.
Step by step.
Scene by scene.
Real English.
Real situations.
Because your daily routine is the easiest topic in the world.
You live it every day.
So today, your normal day will become powerful English practice.
By the end of this episode,
You will be able to describe your full day confidently.
using simple grammar
Simple vocabulary,
and natural structure.
so relax your shoulders.
Take a deep breath.
And let's begin.
Good morning. Good morning, Emma. You're awake early today. Yes, I usually wake up at 6:30 every morning. Wow, that's early. Why so early? I like to start my day quietly before work. What do you do first? First, I turn off my alarm and stretch for a few minutes. That sounds relaxing. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. Do you take a shower in the morning? Yes, I take a quick shower and get dressed. What about breakfast? I usually make coffee and eat toast or eggs. Do you check your phone? Yes, I check my messages and read the news. Do you exercise? Of course. Sometimes I go for a short walk before work. That's a healthy routine. I try my best to start the day positively.
That was beautiful morning English.
Very natural and realistic.
Let's slow it down and analyze it carefully.
She said, I usually wake up at 6:30.
The word usually is important.
It shows frequency.
Other frequency words are always, often, sometimes, rarely.
Example, I always wake up early.
I sometimes wake up late.
These words make your English more detailed.
She also said, I turn off my alarm.
Notice the phrase turn off.
We don't say close the alarm.
Small vocabulary corrections matter.
Then she said, I stretch.
Stretch means move your body slowly to relax muscles.
Very common morning activity.
She said, I brush my teeth.
Very important collocation.
Collocation means words that naturally go together.
We brush teeth.
We wash face,
We take a shower.
not do a shower.
Beginners make that mistake.
She also said, I get dressed.
Not I wear clothes in this situation.
Get dressed is more natural for daily routine.
Then she used connectors. First, then.
Connectors make your speech smooth.
Example, full morning description.
First, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
After that, I have breakfast.
Finally, I leave for work.
That is a complete morning paragraph.
And notice no complicated grammar,
Just simple present tense.
because daily habits use simple present.
Repeat this rule. Habits equals simple present.
Say it with us.
Habits equals simple present.
Excellent.
Hey Lisa, how's your day going?
It's going well, but I'm very busy today.
What are you working on?
I'm preparing a presentation for this afternoon.
Is it for the team meeting?
Yes, I have to present our new marketing plan.
That sounds important.
It is. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, you prepared well.
Thanks. After the meeting, I need to reply to emails.
And after that?
I have a call with a client.
Busy schedule.
Yes, but I like being productive.
Now we are in the middle of the day.
Notice the change in grammar.
She said, I'm preparing a presentation.
Present continuous tense.
Structure. Am, is, are, plus verb, plus ing.
Example: I am working.
She is studying.
They are talking.
We use this for actions happening now.
Or temporary situations.
She also said, I have a call with a client.
Workplace vocabulary.
Call, meeting, client, presentation, schedule.
Very useful words for professionals.
She said, I'm a little nervous.
That shows feelings.
You can also say,
I feel tired.
I feel excited.
I feel stressed.
Talking about feelings makes your English natural.
She said, I like being productive.
Productive means doing useful work.
That's strong vocabulary.
When describing your day, include
What you are doing,
who you are talking to.
how you feel.
That makes your story complete.
Hi, Jack. How was your day?
It was good, but very busy.
What did you do after work?
After work, I went to the gym.
Good for you.
Then I came home and cooked dinner.
What did you cook?
I made grilled chicken and rice.
That sounds delicious.
After dinner, I watched TV for a while.
Did you relax?
Yes, I relaxed and listened to music.
And now?
Now I'm getting ready for bed.
Long day.
Yes, but a good one.
Now we move to the past tense.
Very important.
He said, I went to the gym.
Go becomes went.
Irregular verb.
He said, I came home.
Come becomes came.
Another irregular verb.
He said, I made dinner.
Make becomes made.
You must memorize common irregular verbs.
Also, regular verbs.
Watch becomes watched.
Relax becomes relaxed.
Add ed.
So, when describing finished actions, use past tense.
Morning habits, simple present.
Actions happening now, present continuous.
finished actions, past tense.
That's real-life grammar.
And it sounds natural when you mix them correctly.
Let's give them a full example.
Yes, a complete day description. Today, I woke up at 7 a.m.
First, I brushed my teeth and took a shower.
Then, I had breakfast.
After that, I went to work.
At work, I had 2 meetings.
I worked on a project and replied to emails.
In the evening, I went to the gym.
Finally, I came home and relaxed.
That is 1 full day.
In simple English,
You can do this too. Many learners wait for perfect grammar.
but perfection is slow.
Fluency grows with speaking.
Even small daily practice helps.
Speak about your real life,
Your breakfast,
your commute,
your work,
your evening.
your feelings.
Speak for 1 minute daily,
Then 2 minutes.
then 5 minutes.
And one day,
You will speak naturally,
without fear.
without translation.
Confidence grows slowly.
But it grows. Today, we learned how to talk about your day in English.
Morning routine vocabulary.
Workplace English.
Evening and past tense practice.
We learned simple present,
Present continuous.
past tense.
And connectors like first, then, after that, finally.
Your daily routine is powerful practice.
Use it every day.
Now it's your turn.
Comment below.
Write 8 sentences about your day.
Start with today I
Don't translate.
just try
We will read your comments.
and support you.
Like this video.
Subscribe for more beginner English practice.
Share this with a friend.
Keep speaking.
Keep practicing.
Keep believing.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.